Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a document on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the home page, you can find the "You might want to try" option, and just select the doc option and step on it. New, you can create a document, and if you go to the templates option at the upper left corner of the screen, you can find the different templates, and just select one, and you can design your documents file, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.